Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and thanks for tuning in. This is another episode of Camera Quickies. This is a video series I have just started here for the channel where I record short tips and tricks videos. If you're into that, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. In today's video, we're going to compare the audio of the brand new GoPro Hero Black 10 to the Media Mod microphone. I picked it up the other day to be able to record some street photography POVs here for the channel and actually just released my first POV ever. So if you want to check that out, there will be a link up here for you and down in the video description. So without any further ado, let's switch to the GoPro and see if the audio is actually any good. Alright, so we are now listening to the in-body microphone of the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Of course, this is a studio type of environment, so there's no ambient noise and no background noise going on here. And yeah, this should give us a good idea on how the in-body microphone sounds. I will put the camera here and move a few steps further away for you to get an idea how it sounds like from a bit further away. I'm now around about 1.5 meters away, like 5 foot, I guess. So how does that sound like? Is it usable? Is it actually any good? All right, and before we switch to the media mod, let me turn the camera around and see if that makes any difference. All right, and now I'm standing right behind the camera. It is 1 arm length away. My arm is fully extended. How does that sound? Is it still good? Is it still usable? All right, and we are now listening to the media mod microphone. How does that sound like? Does it actually sound any different from the in-body microphone of the GoPro Hero 10? I will again move a few steps further away for you to get an idea how it sounds like from a little distance. So again, a few meters back, how does it sound? Is it still good? Is it still usable? So the media mod microphone is directional, meaning if I turn it around, it should actually, are we still recording? It should actually sound much worse. I'm not sure about that. I've actually never tried that, so I just thought, we are going to try this together today. And this is a red panda. Alright, I've just reviewed the audio tracks of both videos, and I gotta say, if you're going to buy the media mod for the better microphone, well, that's not what you're getting, because I believe the in-body microphones of the GoPro Hero 10, they actually sound much better than the media mod microphone. But if you really want to take it up a notch, I just put the Rode VideoMic NTG on top of the media mod because it actually comes with 2 cold shoes and allows you to plug in an external microphone. And while this is quite a big setup, I actually think it might be worth it depending on your situation. All right, and we are now back on my Sony CVE-10. And yeah, I mean, you saw it yourself. You will probably not be getting the media mod for the external microphone. Quite honestly, I wish they put a much better microphone in there because this thing costs money, right? But of course, it also allows you to plug in an external microphone like maybe the Rode Wireless Go 2, and this will actually make this thing a powerhouse. All right, and that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to give you a quick overview over both microphones and for you to get an idea on how they compare. And also, I couldn't resist to put on the Rode VideoMic NTG for you to get an idea of what kind of setup you can build with this. Anyways, that is it for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one.